Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary theory. And in this video, we are going to discuss Asian American writers in the context of American multiculturalism. Introduction. Asian American literature is a vibrant and diverse field defined by the unique experiences of individuals of Asian descent living in the United States. These works explore the complexities of being perceived as alien in American society, offering rich insights into the struggles and triumphs of Asian Americans. This video delves into the historical context, diversity, identity, early literature, development of genres, prominent writers, and different perspectives within Asian American literature, illustrating its significance and evolution. Historical context. The historical context of Asian American literature is marked by exclusion and marginalization. Asian immigrants were denied citizenship until the 1950s, reflecting a long history of systemic racism and discrimination. Edward Said's concept of Orientalism highlights how Asians were objectified and exoticized, a tendency that many Asian American writers have sought to challenge and subvert in their works. Diversity of Asian American writers. Asian American writers hail from a wide array of backgrounds, including Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Filipino, Vietnamese, Malaysian, Polynesian, and many others from the Indian subcontinent and the Pacific Islands. This diversity encompasses a broad spectrum of languages, religions, social structures, and skin colors, making the category of Asian American literature even more expansive and varied than other ethnic literary categories. Identity and self-identification. The question of identity and self-identification is complex within the Asian American community. Some writers are recent immigrants, while others can trace their American heritage back several generations. Self-identification varies widely, with individuals using terms such as Chinese, Chinese American, Amer-Asian, or eschewing such labels altogether. In Hawaii, for instance, the distinction between being local and haole, white, is more significant than ethnic differences. Early Asian American literature. Early Asian American literature primarily consisted of autobiographical paper son stories and confessions. Paper son stories were fabricated tales that Chinese immigrant men used to convince authorities that their sponsors in the United States were their actual fathers. Similarly, confessions were narratives elicited from Chinese women rescued from prostitution by missionaries, shedding light on their harrowing experiences in California's mining towns and labor camps. Development of genres. The development of genres within Asian American literature saw the emergence of picture bride stories, which were narratives written by Asian women seeking American husbands. These early autobiographical strategies influenced later works such as Maxine Hong Kingston's The Woman Warrior, Memoirs of a Girlhood Among Ghosts. This book, blending autobiography and fiction, initially caused confusion but ultimately highlighted the fluidity of identity and genre in Asian American literature. Prominent writers and works. Chinese American women have been particularly influential in the field of Asian American literature. Edith and Winifred Eaton were early pioneers, with Edith's realistic portrayals in Mrs. Spring Fragrance and Winifred's sentimentalized Japanese novels. Jade Snow Wong's Fifth Chinese Daughter offered a different perspective, focusing on growing up in San Francisco's Chinatown. Amy Tan's The Joy Luck Club, a novel that was later adapted into a successful film, remains one of the most well-known works tracing the lives of Chinese women immigrants and their daughters. Literature from Hawaii and the Pacific. Literature from Hawaii and the Pacific has gained increasing attention, with writers like Carolyn Lai Iannilau and Lois Ann Yamanaka making significant contributions. Their works are read alongside and in opposition to those by Anglo-American authors such as Herman Melville, Robert Louis Stevenson, Jack London, and James Michener, offering diverse perspectives on life in the Pacific. Different perspectives. Asian American literature presents multiple narratives and perspectives, as evidenced by works like Jack London's Kulau the Leaper, Pilani Kaluaikulau's The Story of Kaluaikulau, and W.S. Merwin's The Flooding Cliffs. These varied accounts highlight the rich tapestry of stories and voices that comprise Asian American literature, reflecting the complexities and nuances of their experiences. Conclusion: Asian American literature is a broad and diverse category, encompassing a wide range of cultural and individual differences. Its continued evolution is marked by ongoing contributions and emerging voices, each adding to the rich tapestry of narratives that define the Asian American experience. Through their works, Asian American writers challenge stereotypes, explore identity, and offer profound insights into their lives and communities. So this was the discussion on Asian American writers in the context of American multiculturalism. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.